Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Migration comes with no shortage of hazards, and many birds simply don't bother. A polygon with 30 sides is a triacontagon. Being in a negative relationship can weaken your immune system. Humans never shared the planet with any non-avian dinosaurs. Iceland was chosen as the training ground for Apollo astronauts because it was the most moon-like surface. There have been a number of supercontinents in Earth's past. 35,000 hectares of peas are grown in the UK in a single year. The famous Lacoste crocodile symbol was created in 1933 and was the first designer logo ever. September 25th is known as the World Dream Day, a day about chasing your dreams no matter how big or small they may be. Proper physical exercise increases your chances for health, and proper mental exercise increases your chances for wealth. Cavities were invented in 1893 by William Colgate as a plot to grow his newly founded toothpaste company. Lo, a moon of Jupiter is actually the solar system's most volcanically active spot. The Hollywood sign is actually an advertisement for a real estate company. Cavities are formed when sugar dissolves in your teeth and your tooth molecules turn invisible except under UV light. The French term for cotton candy translates to Papa's beard. Magnetars are the strongest magnets in the universe. A magnetar is a type of neutron star believed to have an extremely powerful magnetic field. Salmon and flamingos are pink for the same reason. We often suffer more in imagination than in reality. In 2005, a fortune cookie company correctly foretold lottery numbers, resulting in 110 winners and an investigation. No part of Greece is more than 137 kilometers, 85 miles away from the sea. Most of the footage used in movie trailers on the YouTube and TV spots is reportedly extracted from the first 15 to 20 minutes of the movie, which means that fans have already seen 4% of the movie so far, considering the long 181-minute runtime. Retrophile, a person who loves artifacts and aesthetic from the past. English Wikipedia has more than 5.5 million articles and it receives around 600 new articles daily, which helps 95% of students worldwide. Mellophile, a person who loves music. There is a restaurant in Albuquerque called Tim's Place that serves breakfast, lunch and hugs, and it's owned by a man with Down syndrome. Sugar restriction in early childhood can cut diabetes risk by 35%. Journal. The world's smallest book, Tiny Ted from Turnip Town, is 100 into 70 micrometers in size and requires a scanning electron microscope to read. Polar bear cub turns bucket into a helmet. The Sprout pencil is a plantable pencil that contains a seed inside. When it's too short to use, you can plant it and watch it grow herbs and vegetables. Previously, scientists thought that sea snakes were able to drink seawater, but recent research has shown that they need to access fresh water. A new study shows that sea snakes obtain fresh water from lenses that form on the surface of the ocean during heavy rain. The House of Saud, the ruling royal family of Saudi Arabia comprising 15,000 family members, the House of Saud is estimated to be worth $1.4 trillion. Americans preferred being excited and experiencing high arousal positive states such as fitness workouts, which predicted better health, but Japanese preferred calm, quiet, low arousal positive states such as taking a bath, which predicted better health for them, suggests a new survey study. Milton Snavely Hershey was an American chocolatier and philanthropist. He is known for Hershey's chocolates. Milton booked ticket to travel on the Titanic on the day it sank, but he cancelled his reservation at the last minute due to business matters. Plant-based biofuels are considered as fossil fuel alternatives, but they may compete with land for food and offer little greenhouse gas reductions. New research suggests that the use of prairie grass instead of food crops with moderate fertilizers give better carbon storage. 7 nominations from India into Oscars 2025. Patul, The Goat Life, All We Imagine as Light, Swatantra Veer Savarkar, Kanguva, Girls Will Be Girls, Santosh. Thanks for watching.